Today in this video, we are going to be looking at how to start a simple online business. Now if you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button to ensure you don't miss any new videos. Let's get into the tutorial. If you want to know how to start a simple online business, make sure you stay tuned because I am going to tell you a few ways you can start an online business even if you are a beginner. Tip number 1 is to start a blog. It's now easier to start a blog than ever before, and your blog can also be an extra source of income if you set it up in the right way. You can start a blog on virtually any topic. Some good topics include health, weight loss, fitness, saving money and healthy living. You will need to create content consistently, and it also needs to be content that educates, informs, or entertains people. In other words, it needs to capture their interest in some way. To earn money from a blog, you can sell something through the blog. This can be ad space, products, digital products, sponsored posts, coaching, ebooks, or promoting products from other businesses. If you're willing to put in the work, blogging can be very profitable. You can build a blog for free with platforms such as Blogger or WordPress. Tip number 2 is to set up a webshop with a simple website. One of the best ways to earn money online is to set up a webshop to sell products to people worldwide. With the webshop route, in many markets, you will likely be competing against old-school business people who may or may not have any internet marketing experience. Many of them have glitchy, out-of-date websites, which leaves you a lot of room for improvement, and this gives you an opportunity to set up a web shop to sell a product or service and make a profit. It's very simple to do. You can use a program like Shopify to set up a simple online web shop, or you could build a simple website with WordPress. If you fill a demand in a unique niche and by executing the right marketing techniques, you can make your web shop store a profitable success. Here are some tips to help you get started with a web shop. Look for a profitable market. Some good markets are health, wealth, and relationships. You can do some keyword research with the Google Keyword Planner. This will tell you the monthly search volume for keyword phrases. Try to get as specific as possible. As an example, there is probably a lot of competition for selling surfboards. But if you narrow it down to surfboard racks, you may have a better chance of standing out in the market. Tip number 3 is to self-publish a book on Amazon. Have you ever thought of writing a book, but didn't know where to get started? With Amazon, you can self-publish a book fairly easily, and really make money from it without needing any experience. There are some simple guides to help you write your book, and it can generate consistent income online for you. If you can launch your book and get a few hundred sales in the first week, Amazon will take over and start promoting it for you. This way you can earn more money from book publishing. Here are a few tips for writing a book. Get the book validated. You can do this by giving a survey to friends using an email list or using a survey. By validating your idea before you write the book, you'll improve the odds of people willing to buy your book, and you're not wasting your time by writing it. Create an outline and stick to it if you can. Try and set aside at least 30 minutes to an hour each day to write. You will also need to format the book according to Amazon standards. Once the book is written and formatted, you can then upload it to Amazon. Tip number 4 is to do Skype coaching. Do you have specific knowledge in an area that you'd like to help people with? Then Skype coaching may be a potential option for you. Here's how it works. You basically use Skype and provide assistance to your coaching clients. This can come in the form of daily, weekly, or monthly calls. There are Skype coaches for just about everything you can think of, from life coaches, health coaches to dating coaches. It's much easier to market your coaching services when you also have a blog on your coaching topic. So I would highly recommend building a blog around the coaching topic you want to do so that you can use it alongside this coaching service. Now, if you're interested in starting your own online business, I recommend you check out the Internet Business School. Make sure you go and click the link in the description box below right now. It takes you through to their website. They have online training courses that teach you everything you need to do to start your own business, so make sure you check them out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and give the video a like. That motivates me to make more videos for you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.